Hi there. In this guide, we'll show you how to install the interior scratch protection covers for the Mercedes CLE Cabriolet and Coupe. Before you start, verify the product fit. Compare the cover with your vehicle's trim before removing the film. Please note, defects found after film removal are not covered by our policy. Thoroughly clean the surface to remove all dust and coating residue. This is essential for a strong and lasting bond. You can find our cleaning guide in the video description. Keep these tips in mind. Warm the surface, don't touch the adhesive, and avoid stretching the material. Also, do not wash your car for 7 days to allow the adhesive to fully cure. This video covers both the door covers and door step covers, which are fully compatible with both the Cabriolet and Coupe models. First, start by cleaning the surface thoroughly. Make sure to remove all dust and any coating residue to ensure a strong bond. If you need help with this, you can find our full coating removal guide in the video description. It's a crucial step because any remaining residue can cause the cover to peel off over time. Next, use a hairdryer or a heat gun to warm up the surface. Now, before you peel anything off, let's do a dry fit. Place the cover against the trim to check the alignment and see exactly where it needs to go. This ensures you're perfectly lined up before the adhesive touches the surface. Now, carefully peel away the adhesive backing. Take your time here and work slowly to avoid stretching the material. Be extra cautious with longer covers, like the one for the CLE, as they can stretch quite easily if pulled too hard. To make things easier, try temporarily attaching the intersection first. Then, precisely align the top edge with the door light. Focus on the top line of the trim first, then match it to the light's shape. If it's not perfect, don't worry. Just peel it back gently and try again. Once you're happy with the position, secure it firmly along that top edge. If you notice any excess material in the highlighted areas, simply attach that specific section to fit the trim's shape first. Then, gradually peel back the front and readjust the top section for a seamless fit. Once the top edge is perfectly set, start smoothing the cover down using a downward motion. If you see any wrinkles on the curved areas, just work them out slowly as you go. To finish, press down firmly on all the edges to make sure everything is securely attached. Clean off all dust and coating residue from the surface. Just like the interior trims, a clean surface is the foundation of a long-lasting bond. The coating removal guide is available in the video description if you need a quick refresher. Place the cover for a dry fit before installation. This step is vital to visualize the alignment and see how the material will wrap around the doorstep. Carefully remove the backing to prevent the cover from stretching. Note that longer covers are more prone to stretching, so handle the material with a light touch as you peel it away. Temporarily attach the inner section for easier handling. Align the cover based on the trim's natural division and position it so it overlaps the rubber molding by about 1 centimeter. Maintain a consistent gap as you attach it to the end of the line. Slowly attach the cover from the outside, moving inward. Follow this method to ensure no air bubbles are trapped underneath the material. Smoothing it out gradually is the secret to a factory-fresh finish. For the front section, attach the bottom first to match the trim's shape. Then follow the edge of the trim upward as you attach. Tuck any excess cover material behind the trim for a clean, professional look. Now, finish attaching the remaining sections. Work carefully along the edges to ensure everything is flat. Tuck the overlapping section under the rubber molding to finish. Give it one final, firm press all around to lock it in.
Just a little line beneath the light. Changed the face, now it's looking right. Caught the breeze on an open road. New reflections in the chrome unfold. They call it the devil's horn, but it feels like grace. A twist of style in the simplest place. Didn't shout.